My name is Andrei Kananovich. I'm a professional marine engineer with 20 years of experience in marine and port industry. Presently, I work as engineering manager in a container terminal in an organization based in Middle East. My responsibilities include safe and efficient operation, utilization of all cargo handling equipment in container terminal. I have been working at this organization for 8 years, have been promoted, and normally thinking and consider my next career move. Uh, I have realized and finally took decision that when it happens, it will be related and connected with relocation to my home country. Doing this present course, I found it's very helpful for myself to organize and to plan in my next career move in order it will be successful. First of all, I found it's very important that we have to identify one organization which we would like to be employed in the future. And doing my research, I found that ideal organization for myself would be APM Terminals. This is one of the largest container operators in the world, which operates 63 container terminals presently in 39 countries, with headquarters in Netherlands. Again, through my research, I found that both organizations, mine and APM terminals, use and utilize similar cargo handling equipment, deal with similar shipping lines. So technically, I don't see any problems in moving with from one company to another. Furthermore, talking to my coworkers with former experience in APM terminals, I think that there would not be also problems in dealing with different internal environment in another organization, because I'm aware how it works, and I'm sure I will adapt to it. As I mentioned, I found the course very important and very helpful for myself. Going through modules in a course and, for example, filling transferable skills framework allowed me to identify my skills, my weaknesses, and my strengths in each particular field, my profession. As I realized, it's very important that we identify them in particular, and it will allow us to identify and to plan how we are going to deal with it, how we are going to improve it. Going further through the model and through the course and through the modules in the course, we can plan how we are going to deal, for example, with weaknesses. For example, module goals identification and implementation allows us to set the goals based again on our weaknesses, set the goals and set the plan how we are going to reach this. This it was also very important, and I found very helpful in the model that we should not deal with, we should not plan, set up the plans for many goals. We should identify just few, and we have to set up real plan how we are going to implement this, how we are going to reach this goal, and upon implementation this we can plan another one. Another thing and another model I found very helpful in a course is value and motivations model. It's also for myself, as I realized, it's very important that we should concentrate, we should identify what is important for ourselves, what is important in our career, in our profession, which values are most important for ourselves. And concentrating on these values allows us to succeed in them, to improve them, and it's all in all, it will allow us to succeed in our profession. To my shame, for example, also I was not aware about such excellent tool as Star Technique, which I find excellent in preparation to interview and dealing with questions during interview. It's this simple standard procedure allows you to answer the question to organize your question, and it allows you also to don't miss small but important details. Even I use this technique in my job in daily to day activities now also, and I find it very helpful. All in all, and as I mentioned, this course I found very helpful. Just it helped me to put all together and to realize what exactly what do I need to plan my next career move.